Ayan. Ay na. Oh. So hello, good evening, welcome back guys. Isang gabing pagpala po sa ating lahat. Halina't samahan nyo akong magluto ng buttered alimango at ating mga hipon. So flex ko lang yung alimango natin. Oh. Sipit pa lang. Shoutout sa mga pinsan ko. Nakoy dyan, gina bossing, kina SK, Memel, yan, kinakon si Memel, sa ibang tropa. Yung mga paborito nila yan, kina Nuwe Agaton, kina PSMJ, napakatibay ng buhay ng alimango na to. 1 month na to dito sa Batangas, so ngayon, hindi na siya makaporma. Itirahin na natin siya ngayon. Tapos, ito yung 4 na piraso, alimango. At nagluto rin tayo ng, kasama natin siyempre ng hipon, tahong. So, bahala na kung anong luto dito. So, kita-kits tayo at samahan niyo ako. Tatakamin ko kayo. Mga kasangkapan natin, garlic, onions, at dairy cream, buka naman, oyster sauce, at ito yung mga lulutuin natin. So, sayang wala tayong nabili pusit kanina sa palengke, pero ito yung huli namin to dati. Stock lang, tapos itong hipon, binili ko, at yung mga tahong. So, kita-kits, samahan niyo ako magluto at mahala na matsambahan natin itong lasa nito. Butter. Ito talaga guys, hindi natin masabi kung bakit. Ito yung madalas ginagamit. Talagang napakasarap ng lasa. Bango. Nasabay ko na yung habang natutunaw. Sama na pa yung pag maraming bawang. Kung naaamoy nyo lang na naamoy nyo na guys, napakabango. Yung aligay medyo frozen siya medyo nagyayelo siya konti, kaya biniyak natin para mas pasok na pasok yung lasa. Tingnan natin to para ma-absorb naman niya yung amoy. So tayo ng diskarte ng pagluluto, kaya pasensyahan nyo na kung tama ba yung ginagawa ko. Kakain ka ba nan? Sasawa ka naman.
This looks new. Okay, caution. There is a dangerous smell, people. Hold on, what is that? This is disgust. She basically keeps Riley from being poisoned, physically and socially.
That is not really colored or shaped like a dinosaur. Hold on, guys. It's broccoli! Yeah!
Well, I just saved our lives. Yeah, you're welcome.
Riley, if you don't eat your dinner, you're not going to get your dessert.
Wait, did he just say we couldn't have dessert?
That's anger. He cares very deeply about things being fair.
So that's how you want to play it, old man? No dessert? Oh, sure. We'll eat our dinner. You eat this.
Riley, here comes an airplane.
Oh, airplane. We got an airplane, everybody.
And you've met Sally. Well, I'm not actually sure what she does. And I've checked. There's no place for her to go. So she's good.
Kilawang luto.
Anyway, these are Riley's memories. And they're mostly
Yung nakalimatag daw nakakain ng 1,000 limatag.
1,000 order.
But the really important ones are I don't want to get too technical, but these are called core memories. Each one came from a super important time in Riley's life. Like when she first scored a goal. It was so amazing. Riley.
Hindi pa naman tinanggal ang sukot niyan. Ah,
That's what I'm talking about. Woo, another perfect.
You never know when you'll need data in an instant. 1 minute, Wi-Fi. How to use the line with data that doesn't expire. Smart Now Data. For peace of mind. Load now.
puro aligi na. Nakalimutan ko magawa sa usaban.
What are you doing? Just give me one second.
TikTok.
You know what I realized? Riley hasn't had lunch. Remember?
Hey, I saw a pizza place down the street. Maybe we could try that.
Pizza sounds delicious. Yes, pizza.
Tatapon ko, rekap lalagyan ng lila.
Ha? Ito? Paano?
Tatapon ko, tapos lalagyan ko ng yelo.
Tikas.
Ayo. May nakapaghinag.
Pero masakit pala mo ng paa. Wala kamay.
Lalagyan ko na sa yelo.
That was
Wala kaya.
Ah, grabe oh.
Wala ako nakamay.
She did something to the memory.
What did you do? I just touched it. Shouldn't make it
Oh, take it back, Roy. You can't take it back.
Oh, I guess I can't.
Good going, sadness. Now when Riley thinks of that moment with Dad, she's gonna feel sad. Bravo.
I'm sorry, Joy. I don't really know. I thought
Ayaw na. Tabo ng kamay. Kahit lang.
Nagamit ako na rin.
Dala ka. Alam mo kakain ka na sa Dala doon sa gamot. Isa ka dala. Isa ka sa kakain ng gamot.
Busog na? Ano, marami naman yan. Oh,
Ay, may na.
kaya mong tirahin. Kaya mo yan. Nakitita.
It's a core memory.
Ta, marami naman yan. Binuksan.
Change the map. Oh, I know. I'm sorry. Something's wrong with me. It's like I'm having a big hand up his neck. I was thinking
Sabi na.
brain.
Natama nga pala sa ako ang kaling mainit.
Fell around puddle